Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Today, we've got an exciting roadmap for you on how to become an AI expert and not just level up your skills, but also make some serious money while you're at it. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Step 1. Build a strong foundation. Alright, every journey begins with a solid foundation. To become an AI expert, you need to start with the basics. First things first, a strong educational background. A bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics, or related fields is like your AI passport. Next up, we've got the math wizards. Get comfy with linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. These are your AI toolkit essentials. And speaking of toolkits, you've got to be best friends with Python and R. Don't forget the key libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and the ever-awesome TensorFlow. Step 2. Learn AI fundamentals. Ready to take it up a notch? Let's dive into the AI fundamentals. Machine learning is where the magic begins. Wrap your head around supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Trust me, these are the building blocks of AI wonders. Now, let's talk deep learning. We're talking neural networks. Convolutional, recurrent, transformers, they're not just fancy words, they're your AI superheroes. For tasks like image recognition, language generation, and more. Step 3. Advanced AI concepts. You've mastered the basics, time for the big leagues. Advanced machine learning techniques like GANs and ensemble methods are your secret weapons. Oh, and don't forget about ethics and bias, they're the moral compass of AI. Reinforcement learning. It's like training AI to win at life's games. You'll be creating agents that learn by doing, just like a champ. Step 4. Practical experience. Theory's great, but practice makes you an AI maestro. Personal projects are your playground. Imagine building your chatbot or training a model to recognize cat memes. And if you're feeling bold, hop onto platforms like Kaggle for some real-world AI challenges. Pro tip. Contribute to open-source projects. It's like your AI handshake with the global AI community. Step 5. Advanced learning and specialization. Ready to level up? Online courses are your AI gym. Platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer advanced courses that'll have you flexing your AI muscles in no time. And if you're up for it, consider a master's or PhD for that deep dive into AI research. Step 6. Networking and building a portfolio. AI isn't a solo act. Time to network. Attend conferences, meetups, and connect with fellow AI enthusiasts. And hey, an online presence is your digital avatar. Showcase your projects on GitHub, share insights on LinkedIn. You're leaving your AI footprint. Step 7. Monetization. Here's the juicy part. How to turn your AI expertise into cold, hard cash. AI-related job roles like data scientist or machine learning engineer are in high demand. But wait, there's more. Freelancing, consulting, or even starting your own AI-powered startup. The world is your AI oyster. And there you have it, AI aficionados. Your step-by-step guide to becoming an AI expert and making that sweet moolah. Remember, the AI journey is like a roller coaster, thrilling, a bit complex, but oh so rewarding. So, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow future AI rockstars. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI adventures. Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep AI amazing.